going to teach you how to upgrade any Capital One credit card with no hard inquiry for 100% free. So are you tired of having the same Capital One credit card and they just won't raise the limit and you just feel stuck and it's a crappy credit card? It doesn't really have the benefits that you're looking for. And my all-time favorite is the Capital One Platinum card. Now this is one of my oldest credit cards that I've had in my wallet, and I've had it since I was like 26, 27 years old, and it's really old. But the problem with this credit card is it has no benefits. It's really a crappy credit card, but it makes me aware that I am in the Capital One family, which is a huge deal because I've said it in other videos. You want to have the 5 biggest banks on your credit reports. And I'm referring to Chase Bank, American Express, Citibank, Discover, and of course, with this crappy credit card, the Platinum card, you are officially in the Capital One family. So what you need to do is take that crappy credit card and upgrade it. That's the biggest mistake that people make with the Platinum card. They keep it for an eternity, not understanding or knowing that they can in fact upgrade this credit card to get a better credit card with Capital One. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that signed up for Dispute Beast and are working hard to fix their credit using the most advanced DIY credit repair software ever created that anyone can use. If you need to fix your credit, link is gonna be in the description. I'm gonna break this video up into 3 very important parts that you do not want to miss. Part 1 is going to be all the do's and the don'ts when upgrading any credit card, especially with Capital One. Part 2, I'm gonna walk you through from start to finish on how to upgrade any Capital One credit card. And part 3, I'm going to show you all of the different tier levels of the different kind of credit cards that you can upgrade to, so you can understand what credit card you are going to upgrade to, because every credit card is different with Capital One. They may look like a regular credit card. There's 3 different Quicksilver cards. There's 4 different Saver One cards. There's 3 different Venture cards. So you need to understand what credit card you're getting yourself into so you don't sign up for the wrong credit card and make the wrong mistake again. Now let's jump into part number 1, the do's and the don'ts when you're going to upgrade your credit card with Capital One. First off, you need to make sure that there is no balance on your credit report and you have reported a full cycle of 0 balance. That's very important. Now people are going to say, well, why can't I do it with the balance? Because you have to think about it like this. Why is the bank going to be incentivized to upgrade your credit card to a better credit card and you're carrying a balance? You owe them money, so clear out the balance and then try to upgrade the credit card. Now, if you want to, you can shoot for the gusto and go ahead and do it right out the gate. That's up to you. But I'm just telling you, we want to increase your chances that Capital One is in fact going to upgrade the credit card and give you a better option and a better credit card with better benefits. That's the goal. Now, when you upgrade a credit card, you are not going to get a hard inquiry whatsoever because you're just switching out the products. Now, I'm going to give you a specific link that's going to drive you directly to the Capital One site. You'll enter your membership login information and then you'll choose the credit card that you want to upgrade. This is a Capital One link. You cannot find this link anywhere else. I've been guarding this link with my life for the longest time because this is the only way that you can upgrade a Capital One credit card. There's no other link inside of the actual app that allows you to do that. This was given to me by a friend a long time ago and it still works. I use it all over social media and I'm gonna give it to you in this video also. Now, the reason why we want to upgrade the credit card, because this specific credit card, especially the Platinum credit card, the one that I have, has been open for more than 5 years. It's got almost 12 years of payment history attached to it. We don't wanna close the credit card. That will hurt your credit. It can affect your credit negatively. Sometimes some people it won't because they have a lot of credit cards or they have a lot of accounts. But some people, it can drop your credit score the moment the account is closed, because if you close an account, what happens? It can drop your credit score. What we want to do is switch this product out. What they do is they don't close the account, they just pull the credit card out and put a new one in its place, and you have no hard inquiry and you get to keep the age of your account open and active, and that is the most powerful part. So instead of having the crappy credit card, we upgrade it to a better one and we keep all of the age and all of the positive payment history, and that's exactly what we want. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, do not call Capital One and try to do this over the phone because they will do a hard inquiry and you don't want that. You can go directly to the link, use the link, and do it on your own. Again, do not call Capital One because you will get a hard inquiry if you try to do this over the phone. All right, now let's jump into how to upgrade any of your Capital One credit card. Now, before we get into this, remember, there is a final part to this video that you do not not want to miss. I'm gonna go over all of the Capital One credit cards so you can know exactly which one to choose, because everyone's gonna have different options and you need to figure out what credit card is best for you. Now, once you click on that link, it is a safe, secure link for Capital One. It'll ask you for your username, your password, you log in. Once you log in, it will ask you which credit cards are you trying to service. So you'll choose whatever card that you actually want to try to upgrade. Now remember, you can try this with any Capital One credit card once every 6 months. At minimum, once every year if you're trying to upgrade and you just haven't been offered it yet. Once you click on that card, it will let you know if you do have an available upgrade, so you can upgrade your card to whatever card you want. And it will let you know what cards are available to upgrade to. Now, it's not gonna be a thing of like you get to choose whatever card you want. It'll let you know what cards you're available to upgrade to, so choose which one that fits your actual lifestyle properly. Now, it may not suit you to upgrade, and it doesn't mean that you have to accept it. So just remember that. Only accept it if you feel comfortable with it, because it may not make sense for you. You may just want to just keep the original credit card that you have currently. But if it did give you the option to upgrade, all you have to do is accept the terms, the credit card, and then you move forward. It's literally just that simple. Now, save that link or come back to this video in another 6 months or another year if you don't qualify for an upgrade right now. So don't fret, don't stress out about it. Just wait another 6 months to maybe a year. Use your credit card, pay it off in full. Remember, the key here is to pay off your credit card in full every single month, because that's exactly what Capital One wants to see. Then come back and check and see if you can actually upgrade. This link is exclusive to only my channel. I'm the only channel out here that has this upgrade link for Capital One. Now let's take a look at my top 2 favorite credit cards that Capital One does offer. Now, I believe that these are the 2 best credit cards to have in your wallet at any point in time. So if you're looking to upgrade, I would highly suggest that you look at the Savor One credit card. It is hands down one of the biggest hidden gems in the credit card industry. A lot of people don't talk about this credit card. I don't understand why, but it's going to offer you 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores. That is huge. There's not very many credit cards that offer you that. And of course, it's unlimited. I'll give you a great example. The Discover It credit card is a great credit card, but it's going to limit you and it's going to cap at a certain amount, and then it'll move to a different category. With this specific credit card, the Savor One, you can get all the way up to 3% cash back, and then if you have excellent credit and you get that specific credit card, it will give you 4% cash back. That is huge, of course, if you're into cashback rewards. Now remember, I'm gonna repeat it again with the Savor card. You can get 4% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, and then you're gonna get 3% on grocery stores and 1% on all other purchases. Now, it's very important to pay attention to that, because there's a hidden gem here that a lot of people don't talk about with the Savor One card. Sorry, the Savor card, not the Savor One, but the Savor card. I almost made a mistake there. Now, when we scroll down, you can see here the complimentary Uber benefits. You can earn 10% cash back on purchases on Uber and Uber Eats. Plus, you get Uber One monthly membership fee covered until November 14th. So if you order your groceries through the Uber app and have them delivered to your home using this Savor credit card, you're going to get 10% cash back. That's insane. There's no other credit card that does that. Now, next up in my favorite group of credit cards is the Venture credit cards. Now, there are 4 different Venture credit cards. I know that's crazy. So you have the Venture One Rewards for good credit, then you have the Venture One, and then you have the Venture Rewards, and then of course, the big bad boy that everyone loves, the Venture X Rewards card. So pay attention to which one you're gonna get if you have that option, because every one of these are going to be different. I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered on how to upgrade any Capital One credit card for 100% free. Now make sure that you watch this next video, because it is how to get a credit limit increase on any of your Capital One credit cards. Now, if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.